What's up, guys? Welcome back to another sauce review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Hawaiian Pog by Naked 100 Salt. I don't know if many of you guys have heard about Naked 100 juice. They've been around for a long time, like since maybe like a year after I started vaping. So they've been around for at least 3 years, 4 years maybe. And they were always my favorite juice back before Saltnik became a thing. Now when Saltnik became a thing, I kind of forgot about them for a little bit, but now they're starting to come out with all their original flavors in Saltnik flavors. Actually, they've had them out for a couple months now, and Hawaiian Pug was always my favorite. It's a super sweet flavor. It's really tangy. It's got guava, like orange flavoring in it, and it just kind of reminds me of, like you're in Hawaii, you're vaping away, or you're just drinking a good drink in Hawaii. That's what it tastes like to me. It has a super sweet inhale, a little bit tangy on the exhale. I enjoy it a lot. It's not my favorite. It's not bad by any stretch of the imagination. I can vape it for a week straight and I'll enjoy it the whole time. It's just, it's one of those top ones, but it's not quite at the top. I would recommend it, but I'd say there are other juices out there that are a little bit better, in my opinion. It's hard to do this kind of stuff with, it's hard to say what's the best, when everybody has different taste buds. Everybody can taste things differently. Yeah, so not much else to say about this juice. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you go down there and hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a comment telling me what kind of juice you want reviewed next. And, check out the juice in the link in our description. Until next time, guys. Peace out.